Sophie Turner's swift revenge. Now Joe Jonas' estranged wife joins his ex Taylor Swift and her celebrity entourage at NFL game amid her high-profile divorce and custody battle. Sophie Turner doesn't appear to be shying from the limelight amid her high-profile divorce and custody battle with Joe Jonas. The English actress, 27, accompanied her confidant Taylor Swift, 33, to watch Swift's new beau Travis Kelce, 33, in his game with the Kansas City Chiefs against the hometown New York Jets Sunday evening. Turner, who played Sansa Stark on Game of Thrones, was one of a select group of celebrities who joined the 12-time Grammy winner in a suite at MetLife Stadium in East Rutherford, New Jersey. The Emmy-nominated performer was pictured next to Swift, who she has been leaning on for support amid the troubled times, as well as Blake Lively, 36, Ryan Reynolds, 46, and Hugh Jackman, 54. The mom of two, who is mother to daughters Willa, 3, and Delphine, 14 months, with the Jonas Brothers vocalist, 34, was alongside the Shake It Off singer after her appearance last week at Kansas City's Arrowhead Stadium to watch Kelce and the Chiefs beat the Chicago Bears created a stir. The dark Phoenix actress wore a pistachio green sleeveless top with her blonde locks styled straight back and black sunglasses. She accessorized with a necklace that had a gold ring on it. Turner has been spending time with Swift in New York City in the wake of her split with Jonas, who Swift herself was romantically involved with 15 years ago. Turner on Saturday went out to dinner with Swift, Lively, and Brittany Mahomes to the New York City restaurant Emilio's Boleto. On Wednesday, a source told Us Weekly that the Jonas Brothers star heard Turner said something that offended him on their Ring camera, giving him the final push needed to file for divorce. It was previously reported that what he saw on the camera was the final straw for Jonas, but no details were available about what he saw or heard. Now, a source says the singer heard Turner disparaging him to a friend, though the details about what exactly she said to insult him are still unknown. It wasn't anything more than that, the source clarified to Us Weekly, indicating that it wasn't a scandalous moment, but that was the final straw. The Jonas Brothers singer-songwriter has agreed to a court order to temporarily keep the children in the state amid the court battle with Turner, who appears to be staying at her pal Swift's home. Turner was spotted leaving her superstar pal's Tribeca townhouse with her two daughters on Wednesday, after she had been staying at the St. Regis Hotel with her daughters. The mom of two, who looked fresh-faced and in good spirits, appeared to be sending the girls off elsewhere as she helped tuck them into the back of a black SUV with their belongings. The driver gave her a hand in loading two packed suitcases plus a portable crib into the vehicle. She then saw her girls off before heading back inside Swift's home. Since news of her divorce broke, Turner has been photographed without her wedding ring in New York, but was wearing the band again as she tended to her kids Wednesday morning. She removed it hours later, when she was seen stepping out in the city with a friend that afternoon. Swift has been providing Turner a shoulder to lean on in the wake of her shock split from Jonas, according to recent reports. Last week, the all-too-well hitmaker was reported to have hosted the actress at her place for a girls' night, according to Page 6. Turner and the pop singer, who briefly dated Jonas briefly in 2008 when they were both just teenagers, were seen last week having dinner at the luxury hotel Barrier Fouquet with several other friends. While Swift did not share any photos from their night out, she has a reputation for throwing fabulous shindigs over the years, from epic 4th of July parties to a New Year's Eve costume party. Days before that outing, Swift and Turner were reported to have gone partying until 2 a.m. after having a low-key dinner at Via Carota restaurant. A source told People that it cheered Sophie up and that she enjoyed the normalcy of it all. They were normal. Completely normal. Everyone was all excited, but they were normal, an insider recalled, adding, Sophie seemed to be enjoying the night. Earlier on Wednesday, DailyMail.com reported that Turner is trying to move her divorce case to her native UK weeks after Joe Jonas filed for separation in Florida, his lawyer said. The Game of Thrones star is said to have initiated proceedings in a British court as she seeks to return her two children to England. It's the latest development in the couple's bitter divorce saga and could likely further complicate the case that is now being handled by 3 different courts across 2 countries. A hearing took place on Wednesday in Miami courtroom, where Jonas first filed for divorce on September 1st, with Turner finding out 4 days later. Sources close to Jonas have claimed that in the lead-up to the split, the British actress had been out partying while the singer had been looking after their daughters on his own for some time. Turner fired back a bombshell legal filing at a court in New York, the third court where the couple are battling each other. There she accused Jonas of refusing to hand over the girls' passports so they could return to England with her and cited an international child abduction law. Earlier this week, DailyMail.com revealed that both sides had agreed to an interim consent order to keep the girls in New York until the matter is resolved. During the 15-minute remote hearing in Miami, the first hearing in any jurisdiction, neither Turner nor Jonas was present. Joe's lawyer Tom Sasser said that ahead of the next hearing there would need to be depositions. He also called Turner's request to stop the Miami proceedings entirely particularly concerning and problematic. He claimed that she had elected to initiate a UK divorce proceeding and wanted to stop these proceedings in their tracks. Turner's attorney Beth Vogelsang told the judge, "That's not what we're saying," and argued that they only wanted to stay on Judge Young making an order in the divorce until the New York case is resolved. Judge Young told the court that he would deal with everything else in the divorce apart from the children. When Vogelsang requested that her client appear remotely for the next court date, Judge Young replied, "Your client will be here and will be in my courtroom." He added that he wanted to set a date in mid-December, as most film studios shut down around then. The judge offered both parties 3 dates and told them to notify him which one they preferred. "Jonas will have to come in person too," the judge said. Turner and Jonas were married in 2019 but, according to legal filings, their marriage rapidly broke down in August after an argument. The nature of the argument has not been revealed, although sources close to Jonas have claimed that he saw something on his Ring security camera that convinced him his marriage was over. Jonas sources have claimed to TMZ that she, Turner, likes to party and that he tried to salvage the relationship while looking after the kids. The estranged couple issued a joint statement on September 6, which read, "After 4 years of wonderful marriage, we have mutually decided to amicably end our marriage." There are many speculative narratives as to why, but truly this is a united decision and we sincerely hope that everyone can respect our wishes for privacy for us and our children. 3 weeks later, Turner filed a petition for the return of their children to England at the court in New York. The filing claimed that the former couple's daughters have been wrongfully detained in New York City from their habitual residence in the UK. The children's friends, family schools, activities, medical and dental care are all in England, according to court papers. The lawsuit cites the Convention on the Civil Aspects of International Child Abduction, also known as the Hague Convention, which was ratified by both the US and the UK, and grants courts the ability to order the return of a child if they are wrongfully removed.